You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government buy-in for the people. We told you earlier this month about the undated ballot case in Pennsylvania that could have national implications. The U.S. Supreme Court has now lifted its temporary stay, but there are now more indications that the court may not be a friend to the American voter. The U.S. Third Circuit Court of Appeals had ruled that mail-in ballots, which were on time but undated for a county election in Pennsylvania, should be counted, but the U.S. Supreme Court recently issued a temporary stay. SCOTUS Blog reports that on June 9th, the Supreme Court rendered a decision choosing to lift its stay and not to hear the case, clearing the way for the undated ballots to be counted. Justice Alito, who had issued the temporary stay, also wrote the dissent representing himself, Justice Thomas, and Justice Gorsuch. Alito urged the court to take up the case and give a full decision by October in time for the 2022 general election. They argued that the lower court's assertion that throwing out on-time ballots without a date would disenfranchise voters was flawed and not specific enough. The dissenters also cited, among other criticisms, that filling out the ballot wrong didn't have anything to do with the voters' opportunity to vote and therefore didn't likely violate federal voting rights laws. For this election, it appears that undated ballots will be counted, not just in Pennsylvania, but likely around the country. Links to the decision and analysis are available at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. Randy D. said, democracy is not something we have, it's something we do. For the American Democracy Minute, I'm Brian Beal.